So hello guys, hope you're great. So first of all, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone. I wish you all the best for all the things coming ahead, and I hope you all do well in your lives. So today I'm going to share my YouTube analytics with you all, and I'm doing this thing for past 1 year, and I think I've uploaded around 62 or 61 videos till now. And I would like to share that what values I got and how my videos performed till now, and did I make any money from YouTube till now, or do I still have to do something in order to start making any money from YouTube. So I will be sharing anything, so if you're interested, please continue watching. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, and also if you want to ask me anything, you can just DM me there. I try to reply to most of the DMs. And yeah, let's just start now. So I will just go to my Creator Studio. So this is how the Creator Studio looks. So this is the latest video that I uploaded. You can see that rank by views for, so you can just see that rank by views and typical views and basically views that I've got and impression click-through rate. I will be telling about it later. And also the average view duration, basically for how much time people viewed my video on an average. And yeah, this is it. Also YouTube has recently started this dark mode feature on Creator Studio, which is great because I don't like light mode. I always prefer dark mode because it's good. And yeah, that's it. You can just see the summaries, and you can also see the summary for last 28 days, total views I got and total watch time I got from the views. And these are the top videos, and basically these are the latest comments that people do on the videos, and these are the top performing videos in this period for the last 48 hours, as you can just see. And basically this is the main dashboard. Now if I go to the content, so these are all the videos that I have uploaded. So yeah, these are all the videos and these are all the uploads. And if I click on live, so these are the live streams that I have done. I recently did my first live stream on August 15th, so you can just see. And you can also see the date of upload and restrictions and the visibility of the video as well. And if I open any video, for example, let's just open this latest video only. So this video has got around 794 views till now, and total watch time is 36.7 hours. And basically this thing just comes after 2 or 3 days, like how many people subscribe to this channel after viewing this video. So if I open any other video, for example if I open this video, so you can just see the views, the watch time, and how many people subscribed after viewing this video. And yeah, these are the video analytics. So these are the analytics for last 28 days, not for 28 days, but when I open a video I get basically the analytics of, so these are the analytics since the video was published. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. So these are all the videos. And if I go to the playlist, this will show all the playlists that you can just see, the live streams and daily life of Thapar plus vlogs and all that. Now if I go to analytics, so this is the main thing which matters. So it's showing for last 28 days. So for last 28 days my channel has performed quite better compared to previous month or previous days. So you can just see I got around 36,000 views and 1300 hours of watch time and 188 subscribers. And I would just like to thank everyone for subscribing, and I would like to just appreciate for each and every one of you who believed in me and subscribed. So yeah, that's it. And you can just see, so if I select the last 90 days, so you can just see that previously my videos weren't performing to the level that they're performing now. So you can just see if I click on the views, so earlier I was getting views like this every day, 250, 300, 400, and the views used to rise whenever I uploaded a video, you can just see. So basically I didn't upload any video in this period because of this video. So basically I was doing an internship this period, so I wasn't able to upload any video. So you can just see, and you can also see the power of consistency because I wasn't uploading any video in this period, so I wasn't getting much views as well. But after I started uploading videos on a regular basis, so you can just see that views also started increasing. and watch time also increased, and subscribers also increased. The analytics for last 365 days, so you can just see for last 365 days I've got around 111,000 views and 3,400 hours of watch time and around these 640 subscribers. So basically you might be thinking why there is a sudden spike on this day, February 4, 2021. So there is a big reason for that. So one of my videos just got viral for no big reason, and that's why there are so many views on this video. And yeah, that's it. Although it's a long story, I will tell someday later, but you can just look at it. And also here it shows how many views I am getting in the last 48 hours or last 2 days, so you can just see. It also shows the views I'm getting hour wise. And yeah, that's it. And this shows the videos that have performed to the top in this period. So Thabur University 5-star hostel and dome or room tour has the most views till now, 11,928, and you can just see some other videos as well. And basically making these videos is a huge task, because you might be seeing a 6 to 7 minute video whenever you are seeing a video, but you might not know that it might take 4 to 5 hours to make that video into reality. And yeah, it does take a lot of effort in making videos, and I'm getting a lot of support from you guys, and I'm very thankful for that. So thank you very much everyone. So if I talk about last 28 days only and I go to the reach, so you can just see the impressions, basically how many times my video was shown in the YouTube. So you can just see, and the impression click-through rate is, it basically means that if my video was shown to 100 people, so 8.8 people saw that video, and it's not bad. You can see it's an average only, and in most of the videos this is the normal click-through rate, and the views and the unique viewers as well. So basically more than 14,000 different people viewed my videos. Yeah, that's good. And you can just see the traffic sources as well, and these are the impressions, and from playlist, from external, so basically from WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram and all that, from where the users are able to access my videos. And yeah, that's it. If I go to the engagement, so it will show the watch time I have got and the average view duration, for how much time people viewed my videos on an average basis. And you can also see the videos and all that, top videos, top playlist, top cards and all that things you just see in a video, when basically the things that you see in the I button, or basically the videos that you see at the end of the videos. And if I go to the audience, so it will show me the analytics. So these are the channels that the viewers on this channel also view, and these are the videos that they have viewed recently. And you can also see that this is the thing that we all creators suffer from a lot, that most of the people just view the video and don't subscribe. And you can just see that for the last 28 days, basically from all of the views and all of the watch time has come from just 9.4 people who have subscribed, and rest of the watch time has come from the people who didn't subscribe. So please, if you're watching, you can just subscribe. It isn't much great task, and I would be grateful and would like to help you as well. So this shows the top geographies, basically where people are viewing the videos. Of course, most of them are from India only presently. And these are the age and gender. So it's great that 22% females are also viewing, and basically these are the age groups of people that are viewing the video. Most of them are from 18 to 24, basically college students or basically school students as well. And yeah, that's it. How many people are seeing videos with subtitles? Most of them don't need it. 3.1% are seeing with English subtitles and all that, and 0% with Spanish, although I like Espanol. So yeah, that was it. And if I go to the content and dashboard again, so basically now the question comes that how much did I earn from YouTube in the last 1 year, or or how much money I made. So basically there is a certain criteria that you have to fulfill in order to start making money from YouTube. So basically you should have at least 1000 subscribers and basically 4000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or basically last 1 year, in order to start earning anything from YouTube. So basically, as you can just see, I have 651 subscribers only, so I cannot apply to that program, or basically monetization program, so I haven't earned anything. But I did an internship in video editing basically 2 months back, and although I wasn't able to complete it, but it was a great experience, and at least I got a chance to do something. And it was only possible because of YouTube, because I showed them the videos that I made on YouTube and they saw it, and that's why they selected. So yeah, YouTube had a role in that as well. So basically that's the only thing that I made in terms of money. You can also see that video I have shared the experience of my internship, and if you want to know how my experience was in doing that internship or why I had to quit that internship in between, so I will be making a video on that as well. If you're interested, you can just tell your thoughts in the comment section, so it might be beneficial for you as well, because these things are quite glamorous when you just listen about them, but they aren't exactly much great, because you have to do a lot of effort and all that. So basically a lot of things are associated with it which you have no idea until you do it. So you can just tell your thoughts about it in the comments, and I would be happy to help and share it. So yeah, that's it I wanted to say in this video. Once again, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone, and if you have any questions, you can just comment down your questions freely, and I would love to answer them if they are relevant. And make sure you subscribe the channel as well. We are very near 2000 subscribers, and I would be hosting a live stream as well, so you can just ask anything. So make sure you subscribe, and let's get 2000 subscribers really quick. So this was it for the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.